How to log in into your 7-Eleven employee account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into your 7-Eleven employee portal. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up a web browser. After you open it up, on the search bar, search for 7-Eleven employee login. After you do that, there will be different websites depending on your locations and depending on your the place your 7-Eleven is at. So depending on that, you can simply select anyone if you found it. If not, just head over to this 7-Eleven Microsoft page. Then simply type in your username and password and you'll get logged in. So type in your username or your email, tap on next, and then your password, and then you're good to go. And that's how simple it is to log in into your 7-Eleven employee account. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos. And if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe.